Hi children, this is our mental maths video for week 3 of term 2, distance learning. And with this, I'm not going to be speaking you through the things quite a lot. You will see them on the screen in front of you as we account forwards and backwards, as we do our doubling and halving. And this is really against yourself at home. So you are, or what I mean is you are going to be working against time and competing against yourself to improve your time with the speed at which you can count forwards and backwards, and the speed at which you can do your doubling and halving. We'll also have our timetables, and for that I will be reciting those with you, and it's important to recite those. As well as just, you know, to be seeing them with your eyes, but to be hearing your voice saying your times tables. And then there will be the randomizer, and the idea is that you can guess the answer before I give it to you on the screen. So let's start with our counting forwards and backwards. I'm not going to say this with you. I'm going to be clicking through, and I want you to be saying it either on the click or slightly before. So forward in threes, and we're going from 33. Start. Trying to keep a nice rhythm for you. I apologize if it's a bit off. Okay, so now we're going to go forward in fours, and we're going from 80 to 84. Are you ready? Let's go. Great. How did that go? All right, so now we're going to go in fives and then in sixes. So with fives, we're starting from 5. That felt a bit better. Okay, let's go in sixes, starting from 6. Right, next we're going to go forward in tens, from 10. I'll let that go quite fast because I know you all know that very well. Now we're going to go forward in 15s, from 15. How did that go? All right. Forward in 20s from 200. Okay, forward in 30s. Right, now we're going to go, we're going to count backwards in tens from 1,000. Are you ready? Let's go. Those are quite long numbers to say, so I slowed it down a bit. Now we're going to go backward in fives from, well, 65, but I've given you the first 2 answers. Let's go 65, 60. How did that go? All right, now we're going to go backward in fours. We're going from 80. Ready? Let's go. All right, are you ready? Backwards in threes from 90. Good. Remember, you can try this outside those ranges and with other numbers, just so long as daily you are practicing your mental maths by counting backwards and forwards in any number, and starting at any number and ending at any number. Okay, this is just a suggestion that I've given you here. So now we're going to get on to doubling and halving. And again, I'm going to, the number that I want doubled will appear on the screen, and I want you to shout the answer before I click the answer. So double 14. That's right. Double 39. Double 28. Double 19. Double 74. Double 17. Double 59. Double 33. That's easy. Double 26. Double 90. Double 45. Double 52. Double 35. Double 11. Double 70. Double 28. Double 62. Double 14. Double 39. Now we're going to start halving, and I want you to again say the answer before I press it on the screen for you. So half of 56, half 38, half 148, half 34, half 118, half 66, half 52, half 180, half 90, half 104, half 70, half 22, half 140, half 56, half 124. Well done. Okay, so if I went too slowly, let me know. And if I went too fast, you know that practice will help you to just mentally change gears a lot quicker. All right, so now we're going to get to our times table, and we're going to go through our 3 times table. So say this with me, and I'll be clicking on the answer as I say it. All right, 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 3 is 9. 4 times 3. Sorry, let's try that again. Right, 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times 5 is 15. 3 times 6 is 18. 3 times 7 is 21. 3 times 8 is 24. 3 times 9 is 27. 3 times 10 is 30. 3 times 11 is 33. 3 times 12 is 36. Right, let's try and get into the rhythm. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times 5 is 20. 4 times 6 is 24. 4 times 7 is 28. 4 times 8 is 32. 4 times 9 is 36. 4 times 10 is 40. 4 times 11 is 44. 4 times 12 is 48. Okay, moving on to 5s. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 2 is 10. 5 times 3 is 15. 5 times 4 is 20. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 6 is 30. 5 times 7 is 35. 5 times 8 is 40. 5 times 9 is 45. 5 times 10 is 50. 5 times 11 is 55. 5 times 12 is 60. Good job. Let's see how we go on our 6 times table. 6 times 1 is 6. 6 times 2 is 12. 6 times 3 is 18. 6 times 4 is 24. 6 times 5 is 30. 6 times 6 is 36. 6 times 7 is 42. 6 times 8 is 48. 6 times 9 is 54. 6 times 10 is 60. 6 times 11 is 66. 6 times 12 is 72. Do those over and over again because you need to know those automatically. Okay. And to test you on that, we've got the randomizer. So here we have the randomizer for the 3 times table. As I click on one, you need to guess the answer before I click it. All right. Or not guess, know the answer. So 3 times 11. That's right. 3 times 1. 3 times 4. 3 times 8. 3 times 6. 3 times 9. 3 times 2. 3 times 7. 3 times 12. 3 times 10. 3 times 3. 3 times 5. How did you do against the clock and against yourself? Remember, you can get better and better at it. Okay. 4 times 1. 4 times 10. 4 times 6. 4 times 2. 4 times 8. 4 times 5. 4 times 3. Oops. 4 times 9. 4 times 12. 4 times 4. 4 times 7. 4 times 11. Okay. 5 times table. 5 times 4. 5 times 5. 5 times 12. 5 times 9. 5 times 1. 5 times 2. 5 times 10. 5 times 7. 5 times 3. 5 times 6. 5 times 11. 5 times 8. Good. Okay, now with our 6 times table. 6 times 4. 6 times 6. 6 times 8. 6 times 10. 6 times 12. 6 times 9. 6 times 2. 6 times 1. 6 times 3. 6 times 5. 6 times 7. 6 times 11. Good. Well, children, I hope you enjoy going through this video and I hope you find it very useful. And I'll be posting a refresher mental maths video for next week. Goodbye.